Hi, I'm Sneha. No need to be salty because today we're going to be doing an experiment with Pepper. We're going to make Pepper run away from a scary cotton swab. For this experiment, you're going to need a bowl, water, dish soap, pepper, and cotton swabs. First, you're going to take your water and pour it into your bowl. Once you pour it into your bowl, make sure to wait a couple seconds to let it settle. Next, sprinkle enough pepper to coat the surface of the water. Make sure that it's not too thick or else the experiment won't work properly. Then, take your dish soap and a cotton swab and gently dip your cotton swab into the dish soap. Make sure that there's not too much on the cotton swab. Then, dip your cotton swab in the pepper and watch the pepper run away. The pepper runs away from the cotton swab because of surface tension. Surface tension happens because water molecules are attracted to each other. The pepper is so light that the surface tension doesn't get disrupted when it is sprinkled on. However, when the soap touches the water, it disrupts the surface tension. This makes the water move and takes the pepper on top of it along for the ride. Don't let the soap wash away your pep. HatterSTEM out.